Welcome back to Cillas Stitches. Today our tutorial is going to be on the moss stitch. I know I said herringbone in my original video, but I meant moss stitch. So let's see the tutorial I have for you on the moss stitch.
Okay, I'm starting with a J hook. That's what I love to use. And we're going to make a slip stitch. I think everybody knows how to do a slip stitch, but if not, slow this video down and pay attention to how I'm doing it here. And we are going to chain enough chains so that this is wide enough for the blanket that you choose, the size that you choose, whether it be a twin, an Afghan, or king size, whatever it is. Look up those sizes. I'll put some information here in the description to give you an idea. And then I just took and put my hands wide and measured that after I chained. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to chain 20 and we're going to work with that so I can show you this stitch. I'm not going to bore you with all of the crocheting that I'm doing. I will speed it up at times, so just pause whenever you need to, and yeah, let's get going. All right, so from here we're going to go down 1, 2, 3. So we're going to single crochet in the third chain down. There's our single crochet. We're going to chain 1, and then we're going to skip a stitch, and we're going to then go into the next chain, single crochet, chain 1, and then skip a stitch, single crochet. We're going to do this all the way down to the end. Okay, chain 1, and we're getting towards the end. Skip 1, and the very last chain we'll do a single crochet. That'll be our last stitch. And now we are going to chain 1, turn our work, and then we're going to be working in all the little gaps there. You see the little hole there? All right, so here we go. In the first gap there, we're going to single crochet, chain 1, and then we're going to single crochet in the next gap. This is space, gap, I don't know what you want to call it, but we're doing the same stitch. We're just working in the gaps now. So continue on to the very end. I'll meet you towards the end. Okay, we're almost to the end now. In the gap, single crochet, chain 1, and in the very last, the very end there, we're going to go into that very last stitch there for our single crochet. Oh, I remembered. Let's wait and let's show how we're going to change the color right here. Let's take this opportunity. Okay, so grab your second color of yarn. This would be if your temperature changed. I'm just going to show you how to do this chain. So you're just going to add the yarn when you're doing your last stitch here in the single crochet there, like that. And then I just, tighten it up just a little bit because I'm going to tie these ends later. And we're going to carry on. Chain 1, turn your work. Now we're going to do the same. We're going to go in the gaps, single crochet. So there's our first gap. See, I use my thumb like that and my index finger or my middle finger. Single crochet, chain 1, and then single crochet in the gap, chain 1, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, we're at the end. Remember, we're going to go in that very last stitch there, do our single crochet. Okay, and so I'm just going to set this down, and let's take a look so far what we have here. So this is, I believe, this would be 3 days worth, right? And this is what it would look like, but this is just my sample. Here's the actual blanket that I am currently on, and you'll see that's what it looks like. It's nice and wide. I haven't timed it yet, but it really doesn't take long to do one row each and every day. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish off this row with you on my actual blanket. So single crochet, or excuse me, chain one, single crochet, chain one, single crochet in the gaps, chain one, single crochet, chain one, and in the very last stitch there, make sure you get the very tail end. Sometimes it can be a little stiff if you've just had a color change like we do here. But you'll see, just be patient, take your time. There we go. And we're at the end. Just take a look at it every now and again. Make sure your edge is nice and straight. And yeah, that's it, guys.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this helped you. Listen, if you get stuck on something, pause it, practice, come back, slow down, rewatch, whatever you need to do, make it yours. Sorry for the train in the background. I'm outside. I do love it outside, although it is a little cold today. But stick around. Make sure you subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next one comes. See you on the next video.